Welcome, this is Ch2 Pro. In this video, we are going to see about Ncert solution for Class 7 Science Chapter 2 Nutrition in Plants. This video is on Premier Live and we can go into the video. Before going into the video, take all the notes of answers which I have been saying. Please take the notes. It was very useful for you to take. The main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. The largest gland in our human body is liver. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juice which act on food. D. The inner wall of small intestine has finger-like outgrowths called villi. Amoeba digest its food in food vacuole. Second question. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. False. B. Tongues helps in mixing food with saliva. True. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. True. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. True. And the third question is tick S mark the correct answer in each of the following. A. Fat is completely digested in the stomach, mouth, small intestine or large intestine. It is in small intestine. B. Water undigested food is absurdly mainly on large intestine. Large intestine. The options are stomach, food pipe, large intestine and small intestine. Answer is large intestine. And the fourth question is match the following with the column 1 to column 2. Answer column 2 and 1. Column 1 food components are in products of digestion and carbohydrates are sugar, proteins are amino acids, fat or fatty acid and glycerol. View the sketch and to know more about the diagram. What is villi? What is its location and function? The finger-like projection in the inner walls of small intestine is called villi. They are found in small intestine. Function is villi is the villi increase the surface area of absorption digested food. And our sixth question is where is the bile produced? Which component the food does it help to digest? Bile is produced in liver. Bile juice stored in sac called gallbladder. It helps in digestion of fats. And it is located on and it was digested by liver and stores in gallbladder. And the seventh question is the name of the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give reasons also. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. Ruminants have large sac-like structure between the small intestine and large intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested by action of the certain bacteria which are not present in the human's body. And the eighth question is why do we get instant energy from glucose? Because it easily breaks down in the cell with the help of oxygen which provides instant energy to our organisms. Glucose does not need digestion. It is directly absorbed into blood because it is a powder-like structure. And our ninth question is which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food in small intestine, chewing of food in mouth, killing of bacteria in stomach, complete digestion of food in small intestine, formation of feces is small intestine, large intestine. And the 10th question is write One similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Similarity: the digestive juice in amoeba are secreted into food vacuole, and in human beings the digestive juice are secreted in small intestine and stomach. Then the juices convert complex food into simpler soluble and absorbable substances. Difference: amoeba captures the food with the help of physosphoria and engulf it. In the human beings, food is taken by the mouth. And the 11th question is: match the following items of column 1 with the suitable items in column 2. Salivary gland in saliva secretion, stomach in acid release, liver in bile juice secretion, rectum in storage of undigested, that is fake. Is small intestine digestion is completed, large intestine absorption of water. And our 12th question is: label the diagram, that is our stomach and the large intestine and small intestine diagram. How to label it diagram, I will show. The label of the diagram is, you can refer the sketch and note down where is the stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, gallbladder. You can note these labels on your notebook or your book. And our 13th question is: can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables or gas? Discuss. We know that the animals, fungi, bacteria, non-green plants and human beings do not have the ability to make their own food. They depend on autotrophs for their food directly or indirectly. The green plant traps solar energy and make their own food in the form of glucose. So we can say the leafy vegetables and grass can survive sufficient energy to help us survive.